Right chaps, this is a tricircle 6-pinner that Sec has passed on to me. I don't blame him neither. For a cheapo £2 lock, this is a bloody nightmare. It's got a couple of spools in it, and the last pin, or the last 2 pins are so deep. Sorry, the last pin is so deep you've got to get over pin 5 to get to 6. It's a bloody nightmare, which isn't bad for a cheapo padlock. Bit of a challenge this, I like this one. Every time you set one pin you lose another one, so you've got to keep coming back to it. Back onto one again, which has already been set once. And then onto 3. Work your way through the pack. Number 4, progressively getting higher. And then 5, which just needs a bit of a tickle. It's leaving 6, which is so deep, got to get a longer hook over that. Hopefully. Come on, get over. Can't get past pin 5 very easily, but we're in. We're in. Gotcha. There you go, chaps. 2 picks used, 2 homebrews. The first one to set, onset, set, unset, 5 pins, and then the 6th one needed a nice hook to get over the top. Thanks for that, Kev. You're a good challenge, that mate.